Yes, AirPods can connect to all Apple Watch models. First, reset your AirPods if needed. For AirPods models with a setup button on the back, open the charging case and press and hold the setup button until the status light changes from white to amber and then flashes white. For latest AirPods Pro 3, no reset button on charging case. Put both the AirPods into charging case. Keep the lid open and double tap 3 times until amber flash white, then red or green. That means AirPods is in pairing mode. Now, on your Apple Watch, press the digital crown to go to the home screen. Open the Settings app and scroll down to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, then wait for your AirPods to appear in the list of available devices. When you see your AirPods, tap them to connect. Once connected, you can listen to music and podcasts directly from your Apple Watch without your iPhone nearby. If you have a cellular Apple Watch, you can stream content almost anywhere. If you have a Wi-Fi model, your watch must be connected to Wi-Fi, or the songs and podcasts must already be downloaded to your Apple Watch. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments below.